So childcare management systems, we specifically have contracted with Playground and Brightwheel as a state, and we have partnered with them to do some really unique things. In particular, what these can do for you as a childcare provider is help with attendance, billing records, some of those business management things that we don't always have the time to manage, and it can streamline a lot of those opportunities.
Initially, when I came on board at the lab school, I was noticing the amount or the abundance of paperwork that was being generated and being generated over and over. Brightwheel came about, and this wonderful opportunity from the state of Iowa. It was a wonderful way for us and an easy way for us to really manage our paperwork, administrative tasks that we do on a daily basis. And what was really nice about it was it kept it all in one place that both our teachers, our staff, and our administration could access. 3/4 of our day was managing tasks through the use of paperwork. Right now, the file cabinets in the office don't have anything in them, so it's nice.
The biggest piece that I love is the data bridge that we have submitted to our KinderTrack system. And what this means is for any provider who takes subsidy for low-income families, when they are doing the attendance records in their child care management systems, with a click of a button, that information goes straight to our KinderTrack database and submits all of their billing records, so there's no duplicate entry.
It saves me a good 30 minutes of my normal office hours by having one parents log in, check in, parents check out, and then at the end of the time period, pay period, I just click a button and it's done. It allows me to plan more curriculum and it allows me more time with the kids. The other thing I love about it is I keep a daily chart of all the kids' activities and diaper changings and meals, and parents used to have to wait until the end of the day when they would pick up to know what was going on, and now they're more in contact with what we're doing throughout the day. One mom says it helps her relax a little bit while she's at work. I post pictures if we've done something or videos of activities that we're doing so they can still see what's going on.
Giving that the option of going through their child's feed during the day, I think just reassures them that their child is comfortable, they're safe, they're getting a high quality experience, and they're enjoying their time here.
You contact the Child Care Collaborative of Iowa, you'll get assigned to a financial management consultant, at which point they will help build conversations with either Playground or Brightwheel for demonstrations so that you can get the subscription that makes sense for you and your program. When we have a child care management system, that's only part of the solution. The other part of the solution is really building up our financial literacy and business practices. And so we pair the child care management system with business coaching for that year as part of the program.
I think a big thing is that most individuals that go into childcare are not going into it as a business. They're going into it because they need childcare themselves, a friend or family needs childcare, or they have a big heart. So actually viewing themselves as a business is a whole new perspective. I would say the big one is, it's called a cost of care analysis, and that's digging in deeper to see what their expenses are, what the number of children that they have, and what their rates are aligning with what it costs to run a business. So allowing us to be there as a resource to help them kind of in those eye-opening things without making it too overwhelming, but to have a resource that they know they're not alone.
My expertise is early childhood, early care and education and development. It is not numbers, it is not paperwork. A good administrator is going to put all of those people and all of those sets of expertise in his or her pocket to support the program, and Crystal's in my pocket that way, I guess, is my resource.
We also recognize that not all of our childcare providers use technology, so iPads or computers or something like that. And so we do have technology grants. When you work with the financial management consultant, they will help identify what you and your program need, and then we will help provide funding for that.
The technology grants were very helpful to the lab school. We had been set up using iPads in the classroom, but they were very dated. We were able to use that technology funding to upgrade our iPads in the classroom, to be able to set up not only a kiosk, but have an extra iPad in the classroom for documentation, as well as we were able to purchase hotspots for our teachers when they go around campus and move with their group of children. And it's been really, really nice to not have that burden on the program's budget.
I had a computer, but it was old and very slow. So I needed to update my computer in order to make my office work run more smoothly and get things done in a timely manner. So they helped pay for a new computer for me, and it saves a lot more time. It was great. I wouldn't have been able to get a new computer right now if I didn't have that help.
These first few years of life are critical to the rest of one's life. And when dollars are invested in early care and education, society benefits.
Childcare plays a huge impact on the economic development everywhere. In order for towns and communities to gain employees, businesses, those employees need childcare, and they want quality childcare and safe childcare. So being able to help support the childcare providers in this state, I think offers providers to see that the state sees that need.
We have a responsibility to provide all of the tools and resources that are available at our disposal and lift up and professionalize that space.